Alright guys, I got the one marked out. That mark right there is flush with the outside of this channel iron. Measured over 1/4 inch because that's the thickness of the angle iron. Took a piece of that 2 7/8 drill pipe, marked that out, laid out the center. So now I'm going to take the angle grinder, cut that out, clean it up with grinding wheel, and then I'll go and put that piece of drill pipe down in here, and I transferred all 3 of those marks down here onto the bottom, and then we'll get that coped out, and we'll get the angle iron welded on down here, and then we'll install it. Alright guys, that is one tacked in and squared up to the flatbed. As you can tell, that's back in there a little bit, but some crafty stick welding, that won't be anything to get taken care of. You can see right there how that ends up on the center line. That gap up there between the channel iron and the angle, that'll fill in just fine. Alright, I got 4 more of these to do. I'll show you when I get those done. Thanks for watching.